I've got the line marked out for how big this building is that I'm making. And I think it needs to come back this way a bit. But it's already at the edge of the hill. So I don't know, I want it to come like half a meter back this way more though. Yeah, because here's the line. And you know, kind of walking up the path here, I don't want to be walking into the building. I want it just like back a little bit. And then, you know, this is where all this stuff is not going to be here. You know, this is like the soccer field, the frisbee field, and that wall back there is going to continue. I have to dig out a bunch of this still, but it's going to go all back there, curve around, and then this will be like a nice little playing field, and I'll grass this, and then the building will be here, so it'll have a nice front yard. But yeah, it doesn't have to, but I want it to come back like 2 feet, like half a meter. All right, let's go get some dirt. I'm still digging over here, so I'll get dirt from over here. Oh God, maybe I can work under this little thing to get some shade. Oh, it's so hot. Oh man. Gosh, there's some clouds. Oh, maybe I'm okay. Oh. Okay, before I start throwing dirt down here, do I need a retaining wall? Nah, I think I'm all right. This goes down really shallow. I can definitely build out some dirt here. You'll have to mound out to like somewhere near that stump, but it'll still be pretty shallow angle. And I really just need it from like here to like somewhere over there. Yeah, it's really not that much, because here's my line. Wait, where's it on the camera? I can't see, it's so bright. Yeah, here's my line. That can come back to here and then just fill in that. All right, I think I can just dump dirt. Oh, and right here, I had to pull out some wires that go from the lumber mill to my house, because most of the time I'm not using the lumber mill. So the 3 of the solar panels here power my house. Oh, I want to stay in here in the shade. It's so nice in here. All right, that's not gonna get this done. I need my shovel. Holy cow, it's hot. Jeez. Oh, man. Oh, that equator sun is brutal. Okay, where do we start? Right about here. Okay, that's 5 wheel dumpers there. That's going pretty well. I'm gonna get a lot more dirt from when I dig the hole, because I'm gonna put the water tank in the floor here too. So yeah, that'll all go here. So yeah, All right, now I have to redraw this line. I think I'll move it back a meter because this is going, I mean, I just got like half a meter. I think I can do another meter with all the dirt I'm gonna get from the water tank hole. Yeah, I'll do a whole meter. So I got to about here. All right, move this back a meter. The only problem is the sun is just killing me out here. And there's no shade here. And I have to dig a hole somewhere right around here. So I think what I need to do is, I mean, I could just put up with it, but I've been drinking water so fast, I'm gonna run out of drinking water. Like I'm drinking it way faster than my filter is filtering it. So I need to dig this in the morning and the afternoon. I have till maybe 8 o'clock before the sun gets above that tree. And you know what? The sun is almost behind that palm tree. Although I gotta back up over here a bit. So yeah, maybe in an hour and a half, I'll have some shade here. So yeah, morning and late afternoon, I'll be able to do the digging here. That's gonna be a brutal hole to dig, but I want to do it. Okay, so let me figure out where that hole goes before that shadow gets to where I can start digging it. Okay, step one, just go get another drink. Okay, there's my new line. Yeah, this line right here. And it goes over there. So now I gotta figure out the floor plan to figure out exactly where I want to put the water tank. Because I don't want to sink the water tank completely under the ground so people walk over it. I want it to stick up, I don't know, like a counter height-ish or something. So people don't walk on it. Instead, people use it as a little shelf. And I'll probably build it right into the wall between the bathroom and the other room. And then, you know, in the bathroom, there's a little ledge to put stuff on. And if you need to check the water, you lift up, I mean, you take everything off the ledge first, and then you can lift it up and check the water if, you know, I don't know, if you need to check the water for anything. Let's see. Door goes over there, window here, and a window there. Okay, there's the middle, and okay, I lined up this stick here with west. Yeah, this is west, so east is over there, north, south, and I think it needs to rotate that way a bit. All right, we'll use this bottle to mark one window, and then Rapapapa. This is a rock named Rapapapa because my son names rocks sometimes, and this one's Rapapapa. Yeah, this one will go right here. No, get back here, Rapapapa. There we go. All right, I gotta tell kids not to move these. Okay, front door, side window. The back window will be I don't know, I'm not gonna mark it. It'll just be opposite the door. And there's gonna be a wall somewhere here, and then this is gonna be the bathroom. In the bathroom, we'll have a window that looks out over there. Yeah. And then there's going to be a big main room here. I was thinking about putting the bed, but I think I want to loft the bed. Put a couple beds up. So we can all have slumber parties in the thing. Maybe this is where we'll sleep from now on. I don't know, and just turn the main dome into a big workshop. I don't know what's going on. Anyway. Supposedly this is for guests though. Yeah, right. Guests are going to stay in here and visit. Okay, so the bathroom wall is here, 90 degrees to the window. Well, that's a pretty good sized bathroom. It's way back here. Okay, so the water tank, if it goes right in that middle spot there. Oh, and look at that, now we got shade. Well, I'm not in shade right now, but I go right where the water tank's gonna go, yes. Ah, I can dig here in the shade. Oh, so nice, so nice. Oh, a bathtub is gonna be amazing. Ooh, that's gonna be cool. I'm gonna make it nice and deep and just sink right into that bathtub and just be like, oh. I don't even want the bathtub for washing. Bathtubs aren't for washing. You know, lay in your own filth. No, it's for just cooling off. And oh yeah. Oh yeah, and the toilet goes at the back there, of course. Yeah, right at the back. And the toilet's gonna have a bidet. You know, the butt squirter. Oh yeah, butt squirter. Oh, I should sound like that excited about it. When I dig the hole for the water tank, I want to be prepared to make the water tank pretty quickly after that. I don't want to sit in there and start crumbling and the hole will collapse and blah, blah, blah. So I need some kind of mold. That's a 200-gallon water tank. I want it to be about that size, maybe a little taller, because it's going to be into the ground. You know, if I make a stainless steel mold for a water tank, you know, like make a mold for a section, just use it a bunch of times and build it up. The mold doesn't have to be big enough to do the whole tank at once or anything. But if I make a stainless steel one, then I can reuse it many times in the future, anytime I want to make a water tank. I just have to make them all the same size then. Okay, this is the pile with the stainless steel. I've got these nice two thick pieces. Those are my thickest ones. I only have 2 of those. Wait, do I have more? No, that's aluminum. And then these ones that are thinner, I think that'll be thick enough though. These pieces here. I don't want to use my 2 thick ones because I only have 2. I have a bunch of these. I think that'll be thick enough. All right. Now I know basically what I got to do. It's 4:30. I don't think I'm prepared to start chewing on this today. I'm gonna go make some dinner and jump in the ocean. Oh, jump in